Nigeria zunto. Nto. One shin they get the gentle. And the goody kukunaka. They play. Puroko Koranda Nigeria Kariala. Men on grand man, no be choice. Put call made and tell you, men on grand man. In the affiliation and they get the gentle. And they get kukunaka, Baba. I be. Man. When I come on cry, if I get the mind, if I get the we go like to the way we don't go use expect them. I swear you, if you say love Biafra, when they share this video, they get man, no they lose guard, no they fear anybody. On how you jones, on how you collect, it's tanta, no be child.
Savannah, we Kingsmen. No, they beg anybody about these days. I do all die after by tomorrow. If them they no release Namdi Kalu, Nigeria go carry even into 4 because of Agada. Boy, they don't grow the other girl. I mean, good call. One man.
Yeah,
Starting from 3 days.
hear them, hear them, make I hear them. I want to hear their voice. Yes.
We Kingsmen, we know the break with a degree.
And gallant men, I they feel now. I they feel. Yeah, I they feel.
Then they hell you to that prince that prince.
So that if they not release them, say you go. I say make.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello, Biafrans. Welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 22nd of November 2025, we, the team of Magnetic Gist TV, is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, we already told you that Gentle the Yahoo and Jamaica and the rest of them are alive, that they are just lying low at the moment based on the heat that was on that time. But for the fact that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been wrongly accused and sentenced to life imprisonment, and they have even transferred him down to Sokoto, now the men on ground are gearing up. They are gearing up to start the demand for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. A new group has also emerged. Right now, they are going to team up to fight for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not going to stay there. That this life imprisonment is not going to work at all. So men on ground are getting ready to confront all these bad politicians we have in Biafran land. All these bad politicians that sabotage Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
So does it mean that Justice James Omotosho and federal government of Nigeria love the Igbo people, love the Igbo region more than the Igbo people themselves? You see, as they just rush to sentence Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to life imprisonment, now they just forwarded him to Sokoto. Out of all that region in Nigeria, they forwarded him to Sokoto, a northern region where bandits are parading freely. You call the man terrorist and sentence him to life imprisonment, and you claim the man is terrorizing the eastern part of Nigeria, the Igbo people, his people, and none of his people are celebrating and jubilating for the decisions the court have made. Is it not obvious that you people are the terrorists and the criminals? This is a time for all the Igbo people to make decision now. This is a time for all the Igbo people, both the politicians, the business people, to make the best decision. They forwarded Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to Sokoto. This is insane. This is insane. You see the energy they are putting when it comes to Igbo man. All of you will reap what you sow. And when you are alive, not when you are dead. And to all of you, most especially the Yorubas and the Hausas who are supporting this injustice I want to assure you guys again, I want to remind you again that all of you are not safe. One day, not just one day, very soon, all of you will have a taste of what you are fanning today. All of you are now concerned about the Igbo people. You are celebrating his life imprisonment. You are celebrating 20 years in jail while your home are burning. But anything concerning the Igbos are causing you sleepless nights. You are now more concerned about the Igbos more than they are concerned about themselves. I'm reading all your comments. I'm watching all your tweets and your posts. A time shall tell. A time shall tell. Make the best decision today.
And the only prayer I have for those Igbo leaders and your children and those who are supporting the injustice that is going on our great leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case, I pray, may the gods of our land make it happen. Make this injustice happen to your family. Make Nigeria happen to your family. Any single Igbo blood that is happy, that is jubilating for this injustice, for this hatred, for this barbaric hatred that's carrying on upon any Igbo man in Nigeria, may Nigeria happen to you. But it's rest assured to Nigerians, to those who claim they are Nigerians, Nigeria will happen to you. Ask the North when Ohamadike says that Nigeria will be. It's now clear to me that we Igbos don't have a leader. Only leader we have is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And have no apology to any idiot. I am a Biafra. On Biafra I stand. And Biafra I believe. Take it or leave it. Biafra must come. If you like jailing Nnamdi Kanu for 1,000 years, Biafra will surely come. You can't use Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for your political interests. For those who are parading themselves as Igbo leaders or Anazondi Igbo, shame unto you. You are useless to Ndigbo. You are not any use to Ndigbo. All the 5 state governors, House of Representatives, any power that you are occupying as Igbo leader.
This video is for Igbo people. So if you are an Igbo person and you come across this video, share it so that it will get to other Igbo people. Today, Nnamdi Kanu was convicted of terrorism charges by Nigerian courts in Abuja or by Nigerian governments. Let me tell you what you may not know. That was a trap set for the Igbos. They want Igbo people to fall inside a pit. I will tell you why. You remember, few weeks ago, the US government said Nigeria is a country of particular concern because of the genocide against Christians, that is, terrorists or jihadist group killing Christians in Nigeria. Now, the world eyes are on Nigeria. Many countries' eyes are on Nigeria. Listen to me. And US plans to invade Nigeria, to send their military to Nigeria to fight terrorists. And where do you think the US is going to? Northern part of Nigeria, because that is the base. That is where these terrorist groups are operating. Listen attentively. Do not forget, when Buhari was in power, he wrongly proscribed IPOB, a terrorist group, which wasn't recognized by any other country except Nigeria. Listen to me. And that proscription is still being challenged in the courts. Listen attentively. Now, US is making preparation to invade Nigeria to fight terrorist groups. Now, since the attention of the world is on northern Nigeria, Nigerian government quickly now sentenced Nnamdi Kanu to life imprisonment so that Igbos will start committing acts of violence. And as soon as Igbos start acts of violence, they will say, look at this terrorist group in Southeast. To justify their wrong prescription of IPOB as a terrorist group. So I am urging you, as an Igbo man or woman, to remain peaceful. Do you understand me? Do not take, because of this verdict today, and go start making problems, destroying lives and properties. I know you don't do it, but don't be provoked to anger. Don't be forced to go commit any acts of violence. Remain calm and prove them wrong. Do you understand what I mean? Remain peaceful and do not commit any acts of violence. This is what they want you. This is what they want you to do. So, in order to beat them in their game or in that game, make sure you remain peaceful. I want to end this video here. My name is Rodi. See you in my next video.
So many people are speaking for the release of Martin Nnamdi Kanu. So many people are now calling. They are showing concern because Martin Nnamdi Kanu was wrongly accused. You know, in Biafran land, there is law, but in northern part of Nigeria, there is no law. A confirmed terrorist can walk around with his arms. Nothing will happen to him. Even if police happens to catch the person, or even an army, or let's say a security agent catches the person, they will still release that person and give that person his gun back. Imagine. But if it is in Biafran land, they will buy the person immediately. Without any second thought, they will just buy the person. So that is what it is. Two laws, that is what is existing. What is the crime of Martin Nnamdi Kanu? Nothing. Only that Martin Nnamdi Kanu said, let there be a second functioning Niger bridge. Let there be a seaport in Biafra land. Let there be an international airport in Biafra land. Let there be so many government good things in Biafra land. And then he can consider dropping the agitation for Biafra. But they refused. Rather, they decided to kill him, to buy him.
Whether it be APC or PDP, I no care. I know if you see this video, you go know say na you are they make. Now you are they make this video for. I no call your name. But if one man drag you out, might put your picture, or call your name, I go do am. Sinibu, whether you like it or not, you must leave that Aso Rock. Whether you like it or not. Papa no dey bury pikin. Now pikin dey bury papa. For your information, Nigeria dey catch fire. Tinubu run, enter flight, they go South Africa. Now tell me wetin make this man now dey travel, they go South Africa. Tell me wetin make now this man now leave Nigeria now, they go South Africa. Papa no dey bury pikin, na pikin dey bury papa. You must leave that Aso Rock, no be threat. Now we will be Nigeria youth, now we vote to keep it for there. In fact, no be we vote we say. Now you and your so-called neck, high neck them. No, now then gather up, carry you go put you for there. And make a one on now. You see all these people, you see all these PDP people and APC people. They carry our head. They do use all, they do sacrifice. And then they follow, they cause all these things the way they happen for this Nigeria. Bandits everywhere. See Imo State now. Bandits now, they don't come now for Imo State. They don't enter Imo State now. If na no dey careful now, something wey pass reach you, I go reach you now. Whether it be APC or PDP, I no care. I no say if you see this video, you go know say na you I dey make. Na you I dey make this video for. I no call your name. But if one man drag you out, might put your picture, or call your name, I go do am. I dey give you the last warning. Avoid me. Anything wey concern me and my family, avoid am. Anything wey concern me and my family, just avoid am. If I come ask you for help, you no go help me as person uncle. Then if you see person wey go help me, you go for back, they go dey kick me for leg. You go for back, go dey tell the person, dey discourage and tell am say make you no help me, say I no dey reasonable. See, make I tell you, man dey fall 7 times, rise up again. You see this drink wey dey call 7-Up. Na person na him do am, person don do am the first one, e no work. He do am second one, e no work. The 7 times, na him get am. Na make they call am 7-Up. In case if you no know, may you know am. Anything wey concern my matter, avoid am, because I don look at say una no wan help me. Avoid me, no dey carry my family matter for head. No dey use am dey call my people wey dey outside. When you see my father, you go dey report for my father. When you see my mother, you go dey report for my mother. But if I come beg you for 5 naira, you go tell me say you no get. You go dey ask me say whether you don help yourself finish before you go come dey help me. But if you see person wey wan help me, you go dey discourage am. Be one. I no go call your name again. I no go say I go tag you, and I go tag you for this video because na bad man how you be, na deceiver. I don't say na evil spirit, the kind evil spirit wey carry, na spirit of distraction. You no wan help person, you no wan help person, and you no wan see where person dey help another person. I don't say you no like the progress. If na no person wey dey talk for this video, mo na tag am for this video why dey show una now. Mo na tag am. No only bad man na no go share this video. No only bad person na no go share this video. He dey threaten me. He dey use my brother. Then dey threaten me. See, na no know the kind person wey I be o. Una no know, if na know the kind woman be wey I be, na go understand say there is difference between June and July. Me, I no dey fear anybody o. I don see 100. Wetin again wey I never see? This thing wey dey talk say I don see 99, e remain 100. I don see 100. Una no know, if una know me, if you know the reason why they call me Zuko, na me use my hand name myself that name. Go find that name for dictionary whether you go see am. Bad people dem wey dey read us for this government. Bad people, bad politicians. Una think say everybody go bow down for una. If they bow down worship una, me wey be Zuko, I no go bow down worship una, because all of una na fool, na coward una be. Una come find me. I post speech for una face. Una come find me. Comot your matter for my family. Comot your matter for my family. Anything, any day, anywhere, anytime wey be say you dey use my people dey threaten me, I go use people wey no know use am threaten you. You get family, you get pikin, you get relation, you get cousin. Respect yourself. No talk say I no want you. Me and your life no be the same. Me, as I don dey like that, I don sign my own say na death. Whether you don sign your own or you never sign your own, that one concern you. I dey make this video now make people hear my voice, because when I need help, if I come meet you, no dey gree help me. Then if you see person wey wan help me, you now you go dey discourage am. Na bad person now you be. Na think say this life wey person come and say person no go fit succeed. Me, I no go fit carry gun say I wan go thief. Me, I go succeed. Nothing wey go fit make me. I go succeed whether you like it or not. No only bad man, I no go share. No only witchcraft, I no go share the video to any politician or any PDP or any governor. No only bad, no only witchcraft and witches and wizards, I no go share this video. Nonsense. Sister, dey fear una. I no dey fear anybody o. If na life, mo na dey here, mo na gather. I no dey fear any single woman being at all. I no put a picture. I go tag you, I go send am to mama, and I no go even talk wetin I go do sef. I no go tell say me I be one of them o, abi I no be. Me I dey open my own clear, make dey confirm am, no be choice. I no go tell you whether me a fool or no fool. Mogeru kagama. I na nubi kajinaka.
The mother danger. People are so bad and so wicked. I'm telling you, all these evil politicians, they're so bad and so wicked. So listen to one of our brother in Niger Delta and what he said. You can see that even the Niger Delta people are not happy, except maybe this guy they called Asari Dokubo. He may be happy because he's working with Tinubu. He's part of the people that sabotage Mazen Nandekalo. But one thing is sure and one thing is certain. Mazen Nandekalo is not going to stay life imprisonment there. He's coming out. Very soon, Mazen Nandekalo will be out. Stephen Cross is very, very annoyed. He said that he's not even surprised of all these things that is happening, that he already knows that this is what is going to be. Based on the corruption that has taken over government of Nigeria, he knows that everything, even Mazen Nandekalo himself knows that they are going to jail him. That's why he shouted right there in the court, you know, telling the judge, you think Britain asked you to jail me that you can jail me? He already knows people that are sabotaging his freedom.
It is fight back the sovereign. Right of DSS, what did tell us? Everybody defend yourself. For our minister, what did tell us? Everybody defend yourself. See her arm. They let they hide again. Bandit, they carry arm everywhere. But if in Africa, IPOB or Biafra land, they go kill them. Even when they catch bandit, they go forgive them. Come put them back for military. If they don't put them for army, they put them for police or they put them for custom. Or I say that one Nigeria. But if they catch we Southeast here, no wasting time now. Now bye. Make them catch you with ordinary army, now bye. Vigilante where they help them work. Vigilante where they guide community, where they guide even police catch them with gun, not trouble. They go collect them. Seize them, arrest them. In go bail themselves with money. But go for not. They hold the kala like say then they hold they like say they go buy bread. They carry kala like say they go buy bread and biscuit. Now some people carry kala. They go hold meeting with our government people. They go carry kala, carry rifle, come. When they finish meeting, they go still carry their rifle, go back inside bush. Nothing they happen. Then they do wedding. Our politician, honorable member, go attend the wedding, visit the wedding. You go see them with kala. If now for Southeast here, they see why Southeast we don't go know something. Why we don't go know something? If on a Southeast here, try them. Then do birthday, you go see them. Then do ordinary delegation with kala. Then they patrol with kala everywhere. For Southeast here, vigilante patrol with ordinary license gun, pump action license gun, na trouble. To guide community, guide street, guide area, you hold pump action, na trouble. Police use you cash out. Go for nothing. Nobody they talk. Nobody they ask them push on. Make we dey wise, oh. Make we dey wise. I don't tell on a debt dey my pocket and they carry and work and I be my name. I am Mr. Debt on the pocket. The thing don't too much. Nandekalo now where they inside detention. He don't do this one where this bandit they do. He don't this one where bandit they do. Nandekalo don't do them. You know why I need to get talking Nandekalo matter where people they talk. Now we hold and there. This our former governor where they is. And the present governor. Now we hold Nandekalo. Now we, our former governor them and the present governor in the east, now then keeping Nandekalo. And now our honorable member them where they is. Now then holding Nandekalo. So you vex me. How we they betray ourselves? We they sell ourselves out. Come for Niger Delta. You go see Niger Delta man, they go kill him, follow Niger Delta man. He be general, he be commander. You go do the power where you follow Niger Delta day. The day this bandit go round us, who go fight for you? The day that they go round us, because they don't they round us, go inside bush or everywhere, na Fulani dey bush. And they dey with Kala. Don't go Omegwa. Go Aloy Grita. Go Obibo. Now then they the whole bush. They never they round us. Now to set your follow Niger Delta person up, now you go do. Now to set your follow IPOB member up, now you go do. Now to set your follow Southeast member, set them up, now we they do.
Now that one we know, they go pay us money, give us peanut.
Yes, good morning, Biafrans from here. You guys saw what happened yesterday in Nigerian courts. I expected it because I came here to tell you people that James Omotosho was paid $15 million, promised oil well and house anywhere of his choice, including Dubai. That this is the reason why James will carry out this evil act. Did James disappoint me? He never disappointed me. He didn't disappoint Biafrans. He did exactly what they asked him to do. Because when you see the readings of James Omotosho, you will understand that this was a written script for him to come and read out. And he could not even pronounce some words. A judge could not pronounce some words perfectly well. That is the man that calls himself a judge. That is the man who handed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu life sentence. A man who doesn't know the law. That was referring to NSAS that Showore engineered to end Nigeria. That was referring to people's grievances in 2020 for the evil that Nigeria was melting down on their citizens. NSAS protest started as police brutality in Nigeria. That is what Omotosho used to convict Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for life imprisonment. These people, this Omotosho of a guy that doesn't know how to read, because it was clear that this was a script that the Fulani wrote for him so that he, being a Yoruba foolish idiot, will come and make a mess of his life. Because right now, that war is on. That internal conflict with Igbo and Yoruba is on. There is nothing that anybody's going to do to change it. In a million years, it's going to be there. And Omotosho's name will continue to go down the drain. I came here and told you that this man was bribed. None of you, all of you thought I was joking. Biafrans, I want you to pray this prayer with me. Most of you that are not yet married, for those of you that are not yet married, for my brothers who are not yet married, pray that God should never give you anything like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife. More also, pray that God should never give you anything close to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's brother. These people were the vessel that the Nigerian government used to destroy the push for Biafra. They used them, including Bianca Olowu, that prostitute woman. They used her to destroy Simon Ekpa. They used her to destroy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now you hear her crying, fake cries. And I've warned Uchechi Kanu, do not mention Mazi Simon Ekpa's name from your mouth again. Otherwise, your nude, we will release it on this air and it will go viral. With a Jofo. Be careful with us. This time around, Malivi Nekunono. These people fought Simon. They fought. Do you know that this woman was part of the people who went to submit petition against Prime Minister in Finland embassy? She, Bianca Olowu, and the rest of the Nigerian government. And there is one Igbo woman who barbs low court. That woman, she speaks from the east. She came to Abuja court yesterday. That woman is evil. She was part of the people who were calling Simon a terrorist. Today, that Simon is gone. They have jailed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and DSS member did not do anything. Really? Really? I thought that there was something that Bianca Olowu was going to do, that it was Simon Ekpa that was blocking Bianca Olowu from talking to the president. Really? Bianca, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's brother. All these people were paid money. Can you imagine that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's brother went to meet with Sheyi Tinubu, met with the father, and they gave them loads of money to support them so that the father will come in and release Nnamdi Kanu. And that was when they started fighting. Because they've got money now. They started fighting Simon Ekpa. Today, Simon is removed. Now. Because sometimes when Dr. Ngozi Orabueze tells you that this person is evil, I don't want her in my government, you come, hey, Madam Orabueze, you're not doing it right. How is she going to do it to know the people that are going to sabotage the struggle? Look at it, Nnamdi Kanu's brother. Now know that what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for, that as a result of what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for, that led to the death of the mother and the father, including 28 people that was gunned down in his house. Who is going to come after those people now? Uchechi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu's brother, are the major problem of this movement. So nobody should pay attention to them. How many times did you see Uchechi Kanu around the husband in DSSS? Or even in courts? How many times? Let me tell you people this honest truth. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was no more in marriage with her. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has left her, went to Kenya, was living in Kenya because this woman was giving Mazi Nnamdi Kanu hell in London here. That was what happened. Today she's on media crying, oh, like Justice Omotosh. Oh, she now knows the law. She now knows how to quote law from her mouth. Medicine after death. Foolish people. Stupid idiots. I thank God that everything was read behind Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not convicted yet. They don't know what they're doing. Nigeria don't know what they're doing. They're just messing themselves up. Nigeria was trying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Why in American Congress meeting, they were trying Nigeria? American Congress men were trying Nigeria in their courts yesterday. Why Nigeria was trying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? This is the time we should be bolder and tougher. Nigerian government is gone under our watch. Look at Tinubu. Tinubu set all this nonsense up and ran away from the country so that when you thought, oh, I was not around when Nnamdi Kanu was jailed. Oh, it's going to be a police. Okay, don't worry. Give me Nnamdi Kanu's file. Oh, go and release him for 2027 election. Very foolish man. We know what you're doing, but it's not going to work. Because we indeed, we are now a nation. Biafra is now a sovereign nation. And I wonder, all of you that have not yet supported us, why you are still waiting behind the scene. I wonder why. Pray this prayer that I have asked you. God should never give you anything close to like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife and the brother. The family members. That woman that fought Mazi Simon Ekpa's picture, I'll put it here so you know who I'm talking about. That woman is completely evil. Forget all this nonsense she's doing on social media. Hey, Nnamdi Kanu is this. What can the IPOB? Oh, what can the Bubago? It is now that you know that all what Simon was saying is the truth. But you people jailed Simon. And the moment you remove Simon, it became harder for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, case to be, to be hurriedly decided so that this man can go. They now jailed him because that script that Motosho read yesterday has been written for a very long time. There was no evidence of Nnamdi Kanu murdered this person, and this is the family of the people that Nnamdi Kanu unalived. There was no evidence that you caught him with gun, and this is the gun that he caught Nnamdi Kanu with. There was no evidence of fraudulent activities or pushing monies from one country to another for terrorism. There was no evidence that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ordered anybody to unalive anybody, and this is the evidence. The evidence that you have was that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu made a broadcast from London, not even in Nigeria, and that is the reason why Nnamdi Kanu is in life sentence. Have you seen Nigeria, a very wonderful country? Pray that Nigeria does not happen to you. They have deceived and confused Nnamdi Kanu's brother. Gave him money. Forget, we are going to release him. Just tell your people to support us that there will be election in Anambra State. There will be election in the whole of the Southeast. That is what they did. Today, who is going to be speaking? Who will fight for you? Who is going to fight now? Awalomo buono dike. But see, ihe rubama ayeji we cho dike luo. Onye ka anaghị agakpọ. Ụmụ nwoke anyị niile kwụcha amụ dịka onweghị ihe eji amụfe eme obele nwaanyị nwa nwaanyị dị 15-14 years a na-achụ halifa. Very elderly foolish people, you will see them. That is what they do in the East. That is what they do everywhere. Very, very useless human beings. It is not that much. Now the kind of brother knows that my parents are because of this they all they were unalive. You think taking Simon Ekpa will do any different? Where are the DOS members? Where are all those Madubugo, Bianco? Where are all these useless non-entities, betrayers? Where are they today? Ucheme for them, more powerful. Where are these people? I ask you. You have the nerves to insult USB government. You have the power to insult Dr. Ngozi Orabueze for what she has done for us. You people are insane. You are sick in your head. We will be the one to end Nigeria, believe you me. I will be the one to destroy Nigeria in totality, where they left it. But I'm not going to say much. Because we have a way of, doing these things. Look at them. Look at them today. Oh, Nandi Kanu. Don't worry. Nandi Kanu is going to be released. Don't worry, all this thing was just... Imagine Justice Omotosho jailed Mazi Nandi Kanu out of anger. Out of anger, self-hate, a Yoruba man. Anger. That's what Omotosho relied on in jailing Mazi Nandi. To tell him that I am the judge. I am your God. That is just the symbol of that sentence. I am your God. Nothing. The laws in which Mazi Nandi Kanu violated was not read. You were just reading rubbish. Nonsense. I don't even understand what you read yesterday.
But one thing is sure and one thing is perfect. He will surely come out. He will surely come out. That is what it is. So, Biafrans, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us. Magnetic Gist TV, we remain the best. Share this video. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.